Yo, what's up? It's me, the Paleo Giant, and I made beef ribs that went triple diamond at my family get together. First, I started by removing the membrane. A lot of people find this really difficult, but like I said, I'm the Paleo Giant. This is light work for me. And once that membrane is removed, I add my rib seasoning blend. It has garlic, it has coconut sugar, it has herbs, it has salt. And I'm working on trying to bottle this up so I can start selling it. So be on the lookout for the Paleo Giant rib seasoning coming to a store near you. Now once you vigorously season the meat side, go ahead and flip the ribs over and season the bone side. Now you gotta trust me on this because these ribs were so good, I had my family members trying to bite through the bone. And I do mean everybody. We had a baby there with 2 teeth in their mouth and they were going crazy. Now once the ribs are seasoned enough to please my ancestors, I cover them up and put them in the fridge overnight. A few hours will work, but overnight is better. The grill situation was not the best, but I'm the Paleo Giant and I'll cook with a match and a pile of nacho flavored corn chips if I got to. I can get a fire started with 2 rubbing sticks and a bottle of baby oil. And you know why? Cause I'm the Paleo Giant and I gets it done. Now these ribs took about 5 to 6 hours to finish percolating. And I had to hide 2 of these ribs for myself deep in the back of the fridge because everybody kept going back for more. But that's a good thing, and maybe it's just me, but that type of stuff makes me want to jump up and click my heels together. Like I really did my big one with this meal. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm about to eat. Hopefully they haven't found my hidden plate.